Father Flavio Villanueva and assisted by our counsel, Attorney Dino De Leon. We are here to file a complaint for libel and cyber libel against the 18 alleged ex-Marines and also against Attorney Levy Baligud. Doon sa kanilang kasinungalingan, doon sa pinagsamang sinumpaang salaysay, doon sa 18 na in-execute supposedly ng 18 alleged ex-Marines, and then yung mga inulit, yung mga kasinungalingan ni Attorney Levy Baligud dun sa various interviews. It's very clear to me that these are being done, yung pagsusulat ng kasinungalingan about me receiving whatever, receiving money, whether in a suitcase or in a paper bag or whatever container, is to besmirch my reputation and smear my name. Dati na nilang ginawa yan, yung paninira sa akin, yung inanuhan ako ng mga kung anong mga kwentong, mga pawang kasinungalingan. And then inuulit na naman nila. So, not again. Hindi ko na po papayagan sila. Nasirain na naman, o pagsisiraan ang aking pagkatao, ang aking pangalan, sa kung anumang mga agenda meron sila. So they must pay for that.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sige po.